Hello guys, welcome to software design. We are working on how we can replicate this design. So for now, let's dive in straight without no waste of time, and then use your rectangle here. This is your rectangle which you have here. Draw it down, and then this background you have here, you can right click and place it. When you have that cross like cycle, drop it and click on power click here. Double click inside to find it, then readjust it. Look at it. Then let's mirror it. We want this part down here to be up. Let's mirror it to bring it. Let's scale it up in this way. Finish. And then from here, press shift page up to bring it up. And then we can still power click it in and then readjust it by the side. We are readjusting it like this. Yeah, we are readjusting it. Let's readjust like this. And then from here, let's start the creation. First, we want to emulate this aspect here. And how do we do that? Use your rectangle tool like this, and then from up, use your shape tool, so that from your shape tool select it, then press Ctrl on your keyboard, press shift, hold to get the angles like that. To achieve this white, you use a rectangle like this, and then we also use the round corners. We'll just need the round corners at this end. So press Ctrl and utilize it. So now we want to make use of, we want to pick colors. This is just how to steal a design. You want to pick colors. So let's pick colors like this. Or we can pick from her body, like let's pick a color. Use the interactive fig to pick the color. Drop. And then select this one, give it white. Then remove the outline. Remove its own outline like this. And then for it to pop out well, use the shadow here. Drag it down. Use the shadow. That's the shadow. And then immediately we'll start doing the typing. This is the typing. We'll type it as fast as possible. This tutorial is not supposed to be long. And then let's Coreldraw invite you. That is, yes, select the text tool here, then write, you are cordially invited to my induction and oath-taking ceremony. And then enter into the medical profession. And then her name is Dr. Let's use Faith. Dr. Faith Gospel. Faith Gospel. And then from there immediately you can now break it. Ctrl K. Let's break it. And then we can now scale it up. Basically, this is the main theme. This is the main theme of our design. So we'll prioritize it to be big. Select this one. Change the font. This is the font to let's use Bebas. Her name Dr. Faith. Let's drag it to make it bolder. We're trying to use a bigger font. Let's use this. Dr. Faith Gospel. And then remember our alignment. Let's pick our ruler here and then to draft an alignment like this from here. Drag it down. Ctrl K. Break this. Change this color since it's on the deep color background. Let's change it. Change it to white. Like this. Let's change it. Let's drag it to also make it a bit bolder. Induction ceremony. So now just readjust this, bring it closer. readjust it. So basically in this design we are just using colors, not plenty colors, like this. And then you can also type in your venue of the where they are hosting the organization, the ceremony. I think the ceremony here is wrong. Let's type ceremony. Look at it. Let's delete the ceremony. Here is wrong. We have to be keen to details. So next now is your date, time, and venue for the event. So the next now, let's copy it and bring it in. So now look at it here. We'll just extract it and use it as fast as possible. Trace it. It was gotten from Pinterest. You trace it, come here, click on logo, and let's wait for it a bit, and then it has been traced. Okay, then move it out. Try to remove the white. Remove the white out of it. Move anything that has to do with white. Then I think our icons are okay for us to use. Then here are they. Then we'll first pick the venue. The venue, we are saying we want to use Ahmadu Bello University. Then we can now use, then from here, time is 10 a.m. Then we can drag it like this. Our date is 19th March 2023. Oh no, 2026. And then all this, let's select it, and then we'll give it a font here. Call it I Love Bebas much because it's big, it scales very well. So we can now rearrange this font, the sizes in our order of how we want it to be. So scale it how you want it to be. Let's readjust it this way. So this is how you can design your induction flyer, like this. This is time for, that is the venue, this is the time, this is your date section. So for the sake of this tutorial, you can make your readjustment, but for the sake of this tutorial, we don't want to make it long, so you can make it, then give it the best alignment you can, and then scale your image to fill in, so that like this, and from here you are good to go. Thank you. See you in our next tutorial.